No laptop? That's not an excuse. Now, I'm about to show you how to create mobile apps with just your smartphone. A lot of people keep saying, I want to build apps, I want to learn tech, I want to enter the digital world, but I don't have a laptop. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Narena Ebel, and today I will be discussing with you how to create mobile app with your smartphone. Let me tell you something real today. Something most people don't know. You can actually create full mobile applications. When I say full mobile applications, I mean real apps using only your smartphone. Yes, your normal Android phones or iPhone. No laptop, no experience, no setup, nothing big, just your phone. Let me start with a small story. There was this person I know living in Jos who had no laptop, no fancy phone, but he had one thing: hunger to learn. How can you create real mobile apps using only your smartphones? I know you may be wondering, so let's break it down gently. Number one, no code apps builders. Those are tools that allow you to create mobile apps by dragging, dropping, and tapping. You don't write code, you don't need a laptop, you don't need to stress. Come on, this is the new age era where things have been simplified. So just like that, you just press to design something on Canva. That's the same way you press buttons to build an app on platforms like Glide, AppSheet, Kotlin Playground for coding on phone, Sketchware for Android, Codula, Thunkable. Those are apps you need to use in creating apps. All of this works on your smartphone. You can actually build business apps, calculator apps, to-do list apps, school management apps, customer record apps, fitness apps, delivery apps. If you're that kind of person that loves to deliver maybe items through the idea, if you have it, all you need is just the idea. Portfolio apps, and all from your phone. Imagine telling someone, I built this app on my smartphone, an Android phone. It must not be an iPhone or Google Pixel phones. People will think it's magic, but it's not magic. It is information. App design on your phone. If you want to design your app's screen first, the first thing you need is Canva. Then the second one is Figma Mobile, and then the third one is Sketchbook. All work on your phone. You can actually design your UI on your phone in 1 hour. Later, you turn it into a real app using a no-code builder. Easy, smooth, stress-free. Now, let me break your head small. There was someone I know who is using an Infinix phone and just passion. She started learning app development on Glide and Thunkable. In 7 months, she built an app for a local business, a food delivery business that needed customer records. They paid her, not in millions though. I don't want you to have this idea that your first gig or your first apps that you build or whatever job you'll be taking will be paid in millions. It may start small because it's just your starting point, but enough to show that the skills is money and money is confidence. So everything started from a phone. So if you're watching this video right now and you're thinking, maybe I will start when I buy a laptop, my darling, no. Let me tell you the truth. Some people started with a phone and today they are mentors, and some people are waiting for a laptop and today they are still complaining. So how exactly do you start? Number one, choose a tool. If you are a beginner, start with Glide. AppSheet or Codula. They are easy. Step number 2, pick a simple app idea. Don't try to build another Facebook or another TikTok. Start with small apps like expense tracker, note apps, contact manager, simple calculator, quiz apps, business booking apps. Number 3, learn from YouTube. Yes, my darling, learn from YouTube. Search how to build mobile apps with my phone. There are hundreds of free tutorials that you can learn from. Number 4, build, make mistakes, try again. That's how you grow. You don't need to be perfect from your first trial. It's not going to be perfect. It's not promising you perfection. So don't expect perfection from your first app build. Here is the part that many miss. App development is not only about coding, it's about thinking, solving problems, understanding users, designing solutions. This is a problem. I want to create a solution for it using apps. It's that easy. And guess what? Your smartphone is more than enough for those things. Stop believing that life must be perfect. Before you start building, stop waiting for the right time. There's no right time, darling. The right time is now. Stop waiting for the right device. Start with the one that you have. Start with your phone. Is that easy? Let me end it with this. Just start with your smartphone. Your smartphone is not just a device for TikTok, Instagram. It is a mini computer, a creation machine, a tool for your future. And if you're willing to learn, if you're willing to explore, if you're willing to try something different, then you can build apps, real apps actually, real apps, even without a laptop. The question now is very simple. Now that you know the secret, what will you do with it? Will you sit and wait? Or will you start building something today? Because the world is moving fast, and people who take action early are the people that will shine tomorrow. You know, a lot of people don't realize something simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a designer. You don't even need a laptop. You can actually create a full website using only Canva. That's it. And a Canva website do. It can create a scrolling multi-section web page for businesses. It can be used for portfolios, business events, sales pages. Easy to publish with just a link. Now, what are the tools that you need? The first thing you need is your Canva account. Create a Canva account. Sign up. Use your Gmail and sign up. Create a Canva account. Now, the second thing you need is your mobile phone. Could be an Infinix phone, Tecno, whatever. Even itel phones can create a website with Canva. Now, the second one you need is just a laptop. And there's no selected variety for the kind of laptop you need. It must not be a MacBook. You can use a Lenovo laptop, HP, any laptop is okay. Then you need an internet connection that is very strong, because you don't want to start creating your website and then at a point it will be having network connection issues, or it will be breaking in between. Now, the next thing you need to do, that is your step 3, is to create a website. In creating a website, is choose a website template. That is, edit the colors after selecting the templates that you like, that you fancy, that goes with what you're trying to create. Choose a color. I love Calm Colors, but does Calm Colors actually work for some brands? The brand, okay, if I have a perfume brand like my brand, the colors I would choose may not be the same thing with a business for an agriculture or a website for agriculture. So choose colors that align with the kind of business website you're trying to create. The text, the fonts, add images. images have this beauty of drawing customers' attention into your website, thereby giving it that glamour. Like, it makes your customers want to speak and want to see more. What is she saying? Now, okay, the funny part is pictures actually talk to us. They talk to people. And so the pictures you're putting should be a picture that makes one want to glue to the page, but then it's passing an information. Yeah. And after adding the images and sections, add buttons and links, structure homepage, flow like review layout on mobiles, publish using Canva link. If you can add a connect custom domain, which is optional, like .com, .org, etc. etc. Now, what are the best practices? Now, the best practice is a clean layout. Your website has to be very clean. A clear call to action, very clear and demure, like very clear. Now, use high quality images. Don't use blurry images as if you're using a POS to snap pictures, or pictures that are not really clear, or pictures that are not portraying what the website is supposed to do, or pictures that are not going with what the website is supposed to pass the message for. If my brand, like Abner Perfume scent, is a perfume brand, so what is a corn picture doing in my website? There is more to use your phone or your laptop to build digitally. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, stay tuned for more videos, and watch out for the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and bye.